Good morning children. In our last video, we learned how we can make a measuring bottle. Now children, in this video, we are going to learn if we have bottles of different capacities, then how many times will we require to pour liquid from those bottles to fill up a 1 liter bottle. Okay children, and we are going to do this mathematically, right? Okay, let's start. Filling 1 liter bottle. Suppose we have a bottle whose capacity is 500 milliliter. How many times would a 500 milliliter bottle fill up a 1 liter bottle? We know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So very easily we can make out that 2 bottles of 500 milliliter would fill up a 1 liter bottle. But if we want to find it out mathematically, then we will divide 1000 by 500. Since we have to fill up a 1000 milliliter bottle with 500 milliliter bottles, so we are going to divide 1000 by 500. Now since we know the table of 5, we can make the table of 500. 500 twos is 1000. So if we use 500 milliliter bottles, then 2 bottles will fill up a 1 liter bottle. If we have a 250 milliliter bottle and we want to use this bottle again to fill up a 1 liter bottle, so how many 250 milliliter bottles are required to fill up 1 liter bottle? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So we will divide 1000 by 250 to find out how many bottles do we need. Now we know the table of 25, so we can make the table of 250. Since 25 fours is 100, so 250 fours is 1000. So we need 4 bottles of 250 milliliter to fill up a 1 liter bottle. So 250 plus 250 plus 250 plus 250 will give us 1000 milliliter or 1 liter. If we have a 200 milliliter bottle and we want to use this bottle to fill up 1 liter bottle. Now 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So we will divide 1000 by 200.
Since we know the table of 2, we can make the table of 200. 2 fives is 10. So 200 fives is 1000. So children, we need 5 such bottles of 200 milliliter to make 1000 milliliter or to fill up 1 liter of bottle. So 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 will give us 1000 milliliter or 1 liter. If we have a bottle whose capacity is 100 milliliter and we want to use this bottle to fill up 1 liter bottle. Now 1 liter bottle is 1000 milliliter. So this time we will divide 1000 by 100. Now we all know the table of 100. 100 ones is 100. 100 minus 100 is 0. Copy 0. It does not come in the table of 100, so we put a 0 in the quotient. So children, we need 10 bottles of 100 milliliter each to fill up 1 liter bottle or 1000 milliliter bottle. If we have 50 milliliter bottle and with this bottle we want to fill up 1 liter bottle. 1 liter is 1000 milliliter. So we will divide 1000 by 50. Now 52 is 100. 100 minus 100 gives us 0. We copy 0. It does not come in the table of 50, so we put a 0 in the quotient. So children, we need 20 bottles of 50 milliliter each to fill up 1 liter bottle. This is how we can find out how many bottles of different types, different capacities do we need to fill up 1 liter bottle. You can actually do this activity with the help of a 1 liter bottle if you have a 1 liter bottle at home, and if you have bottles of different capacities like 50 milliliter or 100 milliliter or 200 milliliter. So you can actually fill them up with water and then pour them in the 1 liter bottle and see whether your calculation is right or not. That's all for today, children. Thank you and have a nice day.